In this video today we will discuss about division of a 3-digit and 4-digit number from your chapter 5 division. Let us come to know how can we divide a 3-digit number by 1-digit number. Suppose the number is 770. We have to divide it by 5. We will proceed with long division method. So the format will be this type. We will write the result here. First let us take the 1 digit, leftmost digit, and see it is greater than 5 or not. Yes, it is greater than 5. So we can proceed with the table of 5 until we reach 7 or just greater than 7. 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, which is greater than 7. So we should take 5 1 is 5. Now subtract. Subtracting we get 2. Now take the next digit, 7. 27 is the next number. Again we will proceed with the table of 5 until we reach 27 or just cross the 27. 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15, 5 4 is 20, 5 5 is 25, 5 6 is 30, just crossing the 27. So we will take 5 5 is 25. Now subtract. Subtracting we get 2. Now take the next digit from the dividend, 0, 20. Now proceed with the table of 5. 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15, 5 4 is 20 we are getting, 5 4 is 20. So division is completed here. We get our result is this one. So we can write 770 divided by 5 equal to 154. The result is 154. Or if want the quotient, we can write simply quotient equal to 154. So this is the method to find the division of a 3-digit number by 1-digit number. Let us now divide a 4-digit number by 1-digit number. Suppose the number is 5082 and we have to divide it by 2. Let us proceed. 5082. First take 5 which is greater than 2. So we can go through the table of 2 until we get 5 or just greater than 5. 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6 is greater. So 2 2 is 4 is fit. Subtracting we get 1. Take the digit 0 here. 2 5 is 10. Nothing remains here. Now take the next digit 8 from here and proceed with the table of 2. 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8. Completed. This complete. Nothing is left here. Now take the next digit 2. 2 1 is 2. This complete the division. Therefore we can write 5082 divided by 2. We get result 2541. Or if we want the quotient, we can write quotient equal to 2541. So in this way we can divide a 4-digit number. Now let us come to some problem. Here is problem number 1. Divide and write the quotient and the remainder also. Let us find a number. So here is a 3-digit number. We have to divide by 6. Take 1 digit. but 1 is less than 6, so we cannot go with this 1 only. So take 2 digit and we get 14. 14 is greater than 6. Now 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 6 3 is 18, which is greater than. So 6 2 is 12 we can take. Now subtract. Subtracting we get 4 minus 2 is 2. Take the next digit 4. 24 is the number. Now we get 6 4 is 24 in the table of 6. 6 4 is 24. And the division is completed here. So what is the quotient? Quotient is here 24. Nothing is left here, so remainder equal to 0. In this case remainder become 0. Now for B number answer, we will proceed with the same process, long division method. Let us take 1 digit, but 1 is less than 8, so take 2 digit and we get 17. Now proceed with the table of 8. 8 1 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 8 3 is 24, which is greater than 17. So we will take 8 2 is 16. Subtracting we get 1. Now take the next one digit, which is 8, 18. Now 8 1 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 8 3 is 24. So again 8 2 is 16. Now subtracting we get 8 minus 6 is 2. Next take the next digit, which is 8. So now the number is 28. 8 3 is 24. Okay, 8 4 is 32, which is greater than 28. So 8 3 is 24 is fit here. Subtract, we get 4. No more digit is here in the dividend, so this completes the division here, and 4 is leftover number. Therefore quotient equal to the result 223, and remainder, what is the remainder? The leftover number is 4. So remainder is here 4. Now come to the next type of problem, question number 2. Divide and verify your answer. Here we have to divide and also we have to check our result is correct or not. So let us start with a number. We will divide the number 984 by 9 first by long division method. Here take the first digit, 9 1 is 9. Okay, we can take 9 1 is 9. Nothing is left. Take the next digit 8. Okay, now proceed with the table of 9 until we reach 8 or just greater than 8. But 9 1 is 9. Initially we get the greater number than 8. So which number should we take to multiply 9 so that we get a number which is less than 8? 9 1 is 9, which is greater than. So we should take 0. 9 0 is 0. 9 multiply 0 equal to 0. Now subtracting we get 8. Now take the next digit 4. Next number is become 84. Now proceed with the table of 9 until we reach 84 or just greater than 84. 9 1 is 9, 9 2 is 18, 9 3 is 27, 9 4 is 36, 9 5 is 45, 9 6 is 54, 9 7 is 63, 9 8 is 72, 9 9 is 81, 9 10 is 90, greater than 84. So 9 9 is 81 should take. Now here 4 minus 1 is 3 and 3 is the remainder. Now for verification, first we will note down these things. What are the dividend? Here 984. Then divisor is 9. Quotient is here 109, and remainder leftover number is 3. Now the verification rule is same as we done in case of division of a 2-digit number, that divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. We will find this. Divisor is here 9. We have to multiply the quotient 109 and add with the remainder 3. First we will multiply 9 and 109. Let us do the multiplication at the side. 9 9 ja 81, 8 carry here, 9 0 0 in plus 8, 9 1 ja 9, 981, this result. Now plus 3. If we add 3 with this, 3 plus 1 4, 8 remains 8, 984. And see, 984 is the dividend. So this is equal to dividend. So the result is made. We get divisor multiply quotient plus remainder equal to dividend. So our result is correct. Therefore our result is correct. It is verified. Now coming to problem number B, 7207 divided by 9. Let us do it. 7209. We have to divide 7209 by 07 was there, I think. Yes, 07. Yes, 7207 divided by 7. Let us divide. Take the first digit 7, but 7 is less than 9, so we cannot take it. We should take at least 2 digit, 72, which is greater than 9. Now proceed with the table of 9. 9 1 ja 9, 9 2 ja 18, 9 3 ja 27, 9 4 ja 36, 9 5 ja 45, 9 6 ja 54, 9 7 ja 63, 9 7 ja 63 and 9 8 ja 72. We are getting exactly 72 by 8. 9 8 ja 72. Now take the next digit. Here remains nothing. Now take the next digit 0. What should be multiplied with 9 to get 0? 9 0 ja 0. This one completed. Now take the next digit, which is 7. Okay. Now again we have to complete the division by 9 until we get 7 or just less than just cross the 7. But 9 1 is 9, which is just crossing the 7. So we should take 0 again. 9 0 0. Subtracting we get 7. Now nothing is left over digit. So 7 is the remainder. So here dividend equal to 7207. Divisor equal to 9. Quotient equal to 800. And remainder we get 7. Now for verification, To verify the result, we will find divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. Let us check. Divisor is here 9, multiply quotient is here 800 plus remainder is 7. First we will multiply this 800 into 9. 900 900 9 8 is 72 7207 7200 7200 plus 7. Add 7 with this, 7 plus 0 7 0 2 7 7207. So we get the result 7207, and which is equal to the dividend. We get here dividend. So our result is correct. Therefore our result is correct. It is verified. So students, this was the total topic for today. We have discussed here division of a 3-digit number by 1-digit number and division of a 4-digit number by 1-digit number, and their verification also, to check and see the result is correct or not. This completes the topic. In my next video I will discuss another topic. Thank you and goodbye.